top is the wedding, and then you just scream it.
Well, even if you make plans, you never think you're really ready for marriage.
No, it's like any growth. You can't be ready for it because it's growth. It's going to be new. It's going to be new. You're going to have a new life. You're going to be a new person.
You hold that phone. Just hold that phone.
This is.
If there's a question of your heart, you got it. Don't belong to anyone but you. If there's a question of your heart, you got it. Baby, don't worry, I got plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh, love. Baby, I've been making plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been
her first
making
cake
plans.
that she didn't go by the box. Kind of just did her own thing, as she said. Didn't do what the instructions said. She did her own thing. Own thing. And today is, what's the day? April.
See you about to cry, cause when I enter the city, they leave without their pride.
No.
Sorry. Are you staring at my comments?
Shout out to my mom. Shout out to mommy. Okay, we'll be back with more.
Wrong. How dare I say ignored it? Preparing for that day, I leave you here and switch you for that.
He's cooking pork chops.
Jump.
I just want you to see how good these look.
What I do.
It's his night to cook dinner.
What I do, man. When I get called to the play, I step up and I hit a home run.
Aroma. I think that's a little too close to the microwave. You probably need that, girl. Look.
Come on, that.
Yeah.
And they're doing that.
Yeah, it's dead. Uh-oh. We'll be back.
Feel like that.
We'll be back.
Oh, love, baby, I've been making